Any birdies, Cash?
No birdies? I wouldn't stick your finger in there.
Nope, no birdies.
No birdies?
No birdies.
Okay. Yeah, come on, Cash. You're a big boy. You start walking by yourself. You don't. Ah!
Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her with the stick! Get her! Ah! Uh-oh. Watch out!
Buddy.
What? A little water stream.
River.
A little bit of the river.
One's dried up.
Dried up.
Come on, Cash. And we're going to step, not that. Step. Step.
Watch your steps.
Step. Step. Moving a little better. There you go. Right back. Right back. Yep.
One step, two step. Look at the bridge, Cash. Wow.
Is that your new favorite thing? That stick?
Got your stick that you beat Mama with? Where's Zuma?
In my pocket. Zuma's on a walk with us, right?
Look at these, Cash, white flowers.
I have my backpack.
These gonna be tough, Cash, going up there.
Hey, come on. Watch your
You
step.
got it? 1, 3, 4.
Here, how about
Five.
you come more closer this way and not on the edge?
These are tricky steps, Cash. 7. Keep on going. You got it, Cash? Not Cash, little viewing thing. That's pretty cool.
Look it.
Look at all that woods.
Look it.
Look at all that woods. What's over there, Cash?
Wetlands.
Yeah, a bunch of wetlands.
And a freeway. You go check it over here? Oh, cool, Cash, look at that.
Got all those sticks. Hey. Hey, don't attack me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you hitting me? Why? Go get Mama. Climb the hill, Cash.
Can you get up there?
Can you get up there? Make sure there's... Climb up. Climb up the hill.
King of the hill!
Say King of the Hill, Cash. Go roar.
Cash.
The trail map, Cash. We don't get lost. Go back in the woods.
Oh, they have restrooms. Where do they have restrooms at?
You getting tired? You tired? There's Mama. A doggy, Cash. We ran into a doggy.
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, the doggy.
It's like Miko. Miko does the same.
Already tired? You found a bench, Cash? Are you tired, Cash? You going to night-night? Let's go. At least these bridges have them caged like that, so no one can fall. Looks like Bill loves Tammy.
It says bees.
It's a pretty weird tree.
Keep doing more
What's
hiking.
this, Cash?
Mud,
Look.
mud. Mud. Go around.
Look at Mama's shoe, got all mud on it, Cash.
These are definitely not meant for hiking.
Look at... I know, we're gonna go to it. Come on, Cash. It's a lookout station. Wanna go up it?
Yeah.
I am not going up it because of bees. There's bees everywhere. Look at that. I want to go up there. There's probably a bee's nest.
Watch out for the bee.
I'm too afraid.
There's no bee. There's no nest up here. It's on the bottom.
I see bees. Hey, Cash, you up there? Watch out for the bees.
Let's go. Go back upstairs.
Go back down.
Go back in here.
Another hill. Get up it.
Come on.
Stand up the hill. And now say scream. Rah!
Go.
Ah!
Okay, ready?
Go down.
Down.
Ah!
Not this weekend, unfortunately, because I have work coming up.
Another hill. Probably a lot of these hills.
Because they're mulch.
Go. Yeah. This way. Hold my hand. Say yay. Like this. Yay.
On your mark, get set, go!
Race. You see the car. You see the car, Cash.